RMUTP Roundup.
สวัสดีครับ Good afternoon and welcome to RMUTP Roundup on englishonline.rmutp.ac.th. My name is อาจารย์เกษมพุทธเรืองศรี your host for the program. RMUTP Roundup is a program broadcasted every Monday from 1 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. Latest news, events, and everything round up from Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn will be presented in this program. Today, we start with the news from Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn. Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn and Federation of Thai Industry to drive health and beauty industry. Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn signed an academic and research cooperation agreement for industry with the Federation of Thai Industry or FIT. Dr. นัทวรพล รัตน์สิริวัชรบุญ President of Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn and Mr. เกรียงไกร เทียนนุกูล President of the Federation of Thai Industry were present at the events also together with Mr. วิวัฒน์เหมมนทารพ Vice Chairman of the Federation of Thai Industry and President of the Institute of Innovation for Industry, Assistant Professor Dr. กสิเดช สุทธิวานิช and Assistant Professor Dr. กร พวงนาค Vice President along with Assistant Professor Dr. คมเขต เพชรรัตน์ and Miss ณปพัฒน์ ธีรพัฒนโภคิน This cooperation is considered to be the integration of research and innovation, including the use of resources of both Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn and Federation of Thai Industry together to develop the potential of industrial entrepreneurs towards next-gen industry and campaigning for entrepreneurs to use research and innovation results to create business competitiveness, including missions to develop teaching and learning, training and professional skill development related to the industrial sector. Dr. นัทวรพล รัตน์สิริวัชรบุญ President of Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn said that Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn offers a variety of programs along with research and innovation that are in line with the development of future industry, next-gen industry, especially the program in health technology, cosmetics, and anti-aging. Faculty of Science and Technology, which focuses on research and innovation in health science and supports health economic policies under the health and beauty industry clusters. Next, Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn promote morality and ethics, improve work quality. On March 3, 2025, Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn, represented by the Human Resources Division, organized a project on knowledge of morality, ethics, and code of conduct at the SD Avenue Hotel, Bangkok. The event was chaired by Dr. นัทวรพล รัตน์สิริวัชรบุญ President. He also said in the opening ceremony that in order for personnel to work efficiently and achieve their goals, in addition to having knowledge, skills, and professional abilities, having good morality and ethics in conjunction with working in the current era is very important. Therefore, this training aims to provide more than 130 personnel who participated in the training with knowledge of morality, ethics, and correct work ethics, which will lead to work efficiency and effectiveness, and to prevent disciplinary offenses and promote knowledge and understanding for implementation in conjunction with work. and a good example. However, the project was also honored by Mrs. Vatini Suryawan, Assistant Secretary General of the National Anti-Corruption Commission, or NACC, as a speaker on the topic of prevention and suppression of corruption, and Assistant Professor Dr. Thanawut Wong Anand, Assistant to the President, Walai Alongkorn Ratchapat University under royal patronage, lectures on the topic of law related to discipline and ethics. Next, Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn opened the first program in Thailand in climate and environmental management to support future careers. Environmental issues are increasingly complex and severe, especially climate change that the world is facing, which was widespread impacts on ecosystems, economy, and society worldwide. Existing scientific and technological knowledge cannot promptly cope with emerging problems and events. Therefore, producing personnel with integrated knowledge that focuses on managing and planning to cope with climate and environmental changes is essential. Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn organized the importance of the changing labor market demands in line with technological advancement and social change. Therefore, it has launched a Bachelor of Science program in climate and environmental management at the Faculty of Science and Technology. Assistant Professor Pennapha Suwan Bamrung, Dean of the Faculty of Science and Technology, Rajamongkol University of Technology Panakorn, revealed that the Bachelor of Science program in Climate and Environmental Management is the first program in Thailand that focuses on enhancing the skills needed to manage environmental problems and creating specialized competency that will help increase Thailand's capacity to cope with increasingly challenges, increasing the workforce to drive the achievement of sustainable development goals. Graduates from this program will have high knowledge and skills in developing a circular economy and waste management, greenhouse gas emission reduction, disaster and climate change response planning, research and application of new technologies to solve problems, which will lead to the development of clean technology and environmental management innovations, which will increase the country's competitiveness and improve the quality of life of the people in the long term. This program is designed to focus on theoretical studies combined with practice. There are interesting subjects such as waste and hazardous waste management, climate change, circular economy, geographic information system for environmental work, carbon footprint and carbon credits, sustainable products and environmental management. In addition to intensive courses and curriculum, the lecturers are also full of experience and expertise, such as Assistant Professor Dr. Waranut Dilaman, the lecturer in charge of the program, who has research works in cooperation with agencies both domestically and internationally, and has been continuously published internationally, reflecting the potential and academic excellence that help improve the quality of the program to be internationally recognized. In addition, she is one of the participants in the Thailand Air Quality Survey project with NASA in 2024 to conduct a research flight to study the air quality in Thailand. Assistant Professor Dr. Waranut Dilaman, the lecturer in charge of Bachelor of Science program in Climate and Environmental Management, added that to strengthen the program, the university has collaborated with government and private agencies such as the Department of Climate Change and Environment, the Electric Generating Authority of Thailand, and Elmer Integration Company Limited to jointly develop learning and practical training. In addition, the university also supports learning, including climate and environmental management equipment, a water analysis laboratory, an air analysis laboratory, an air quality measurement vehicle and classrooms, laboratories, teaching tools and equipment, a library and sufficient information technology services, computers, Wi-Fi signals, and others for teaching and learning for students. This will result in graduates from this program having high knowledge and skills in developing a circular economy, waste and waste management, reducing greenhouse gas emission, and planning for disaster and climate change, as well as research and application of new technology to solve problems, which will lead to the development of clean technologies and environmental management innovations that can more effectively reduce the impacts of climate change. When students graduate, they can immediately work as scientists and researchers, environmental and climate change academics, pollution control and maintenance systems consultants, and assessor of greenhouse gas emission control system. However, the program in climate and environmental management is a new branch in academic year 2025 that accepted students who have completed high school or vocational certificate or PAWSH level and higher education certificate or PAWSO certificate in the industrial subjects group and textile industrial subject group to study for a bachelor's degree. And application is divided into two types: vocational certificate and vocational and higher vocational certificate. Direct admission can apply from now until May 12, 2025. High school or equivalent through the TCAS system or TCAS Round 2 quota. Interested person can apply online at www.rmutp.ac.th 24 hours a day and pay the application fee via bank or counter services. For more information, please contact the Office of Academic Promotion and Registration, Ratchamongkol University of Technology, Panakorn, telephone number 02665 3777, extension number 6636. Next, Ratchamongkol University of Technology, Panakorn joins the 9 academic skills competition of the Faculty of Liberal Arts, Ratchamongkol University of Technology of Thailand in 2025. The Faculty of Liberal Arts, Ratchamongkol University of Technology, Panakorn brought students to join the 9th academic skills competition of the Faculty of Liberal Arts, Ratchamongkol University of Technology of Thailand in 2025. 9 Ratchamongkol Liberal Arts on the part of sustainability to compete for the trophy bestowed by Her Royal Highness Princess Mahachakri Sirinthorn during February 19 to 21, 2025 at the Ratchamongkol Auditorium, Ratchamongkol University of Technology, Thanyaburi. Ratchamongkol University of Technology across the country sends students to compete in 8 categories of academic skills in liberal arts, such as English skills, Thai language skills, Chinese language skills, tourism skills, hotel skills, Thai etiquette contest, exhibition board, organization contest, and MICE business plan design. In this regard, Rajamongkol University of Technology พระนคร students were able to win 15 gold medals from the competition, including the English Tour Guide Skills competition by Miss Warisara Onkaew and the Thai Tour Guide Skill competition by Miss Apawan Chunhasi, Chinese singing by Miss นัทพรลีลาพันนาวุฒิ English Essay Writing Mr. สุภกรสวัสดิ์เยาวขันธ์ English Singing by Miss เนตรมณีบุญชูงาม Tour Guide Presentation by Miss วราพรพลอันแสน and Miss นิชาพัฒน์ทัพนิยม Food and Beverage Service by Mr. พัชระพิงคยางกูล and Miss สกุลรัตน์จิโนตัน Cocktail Mixing by Mr. โชติวิทย์บุรีนอก Thai Etiquette Contest by Miss นันทิยาจิตคอนบุรี and Mr. มนูนกลางพง Exhibition Board Arrangement Contest by Miss มณีรินชัยปัญญา Mr. พัฒนวัฒนเดชกุล Miss กนกนุชชูสัง and Mr. ทีคทัศน์กาลสิน Tourism Quiz Team 1 by Miss สัสิการบืดขุนทศ and Miss กัญญรัตน์ดาดี Team 2 Miss อักษราภักดิ์หานรัก and Miss พัทธิดาภูพันลา Pronunciation Thai Language by Miss พุทธิดาอินช่วย Bed Making with Dance Moves Mr. ธนวัฒน์ไพศาลพัฒนกิจ and Mr. ธีรยุทธ์ด้วงกล่ำ Thai Essay Writing by Miss นันทวันแช่มชูกุล Thai Country Song Singing by Miss เจนจิราจินตรักษ์ Six silver medals were awarded as follow English News Reading by Mr. ภวัตรพิริยทรัพย์ English Debate by Mr. มหัฒนศีลเมืองพรหม Miss กันวราตาวิโหยand Mr. ธรเทพมณี in Poetry Competition by Mr. ธนายุทธคำภากุล and Miss นันทพัฒน์ภากษัย Speech Immediate Speaking by Miss สุกัญญาเกลี้ยงซอปาน Cocktail Mixing by Miss โชติวิทย์บุรีนอก Business Plan Design in Mice Industry by Miss ภูริดากล้าวถนอม Miss ชดานันท์ชนเสริมิสเพชรรดาฤทธิ์จรูน มิสโรชาตรงต่อการ and six bronze medal English quiz by Miss กิติภูมิ by Mr. กิติภูมิจันทร์สว่าง crossword by Mr. ธนพัฒน์ปั้นเอม and Mr. นิติโชติแก้วช้าง Chinese news reading by Miss ยาดานีภูลมะเริง cocktail mixing by Mr. เชิดศักดิ์ปรางทอง poetry competition by Miss นภาพรสารพัฒน์ Miss พิยดาไพรเนา and Thai essay writing by Mr. นครินทร์ด้วงคำ Next students of Mass Communication Technology ราชมงคล University of Technology พระนคร present their creative works and develop the society on February 25, 2025. The Faculty of Mass Communication Technology ราชมงคล University of Technology พระนคร organized the Space Orbit Thesis Exhibition 2025 from February 25 to February 26, 2025. Students from four majors: advertising and public relations, creative media technology, multimedia technology, and media production, brought 80 thesis works to exhibit in the event, demonstrating creativity and the application of technology in their works, such as art toys, interactive games, and the production of public relations media to promote tourism campaigns and various products. The opening ceremony was honored by Dr. Natwarapon Rasiri Vacharabun, President of Rajamongkol University of Technology พระนคร at the multi-purpose room on the first floor of the Bangkok Art and Culture Center. Miss ปัณณพรภูลปาน a fourth-year student and representative of the Thai Color Concept Art Design Project Benjarong Ranger, said that Benjarong Rangers is a work that aims to present Thainess and Thai colors. The characters, story, and illustrations were designed by two other friends in the group, Miss Kitikan Promaniwat and Mr. Chanatip Rojana Sithangul. The story is presented through the story of the cartoon character Thuy, the spirit of color, and who create various color, and Tony, the spirit of erasure, who destroys the wrong colors. The two work together to create balance in the universe. However, because of the two characters have a feeling of inferiority towards each other, it causes problem and creates an increasingly violent power to erasure until Tony becomes a demon of the destruction and starts building an army to eliminate the colors of the universe. Will the Benjarong Ranger, the hope of the new world, be able to protect the world? Therefore, they invite all the reader to follow the fun by reading the online version at https://heysign.com flipbook A2656C3A16.html. The exhibition of this work is also a new opportunity for interested people to experience the real work and create awareness of the colors of Thailand for the new generation of youth. Ms. Jiranan Sithichai, a fourth-year student and representatives of the Samut Prakan Observation Deck project group, which is more a source of knowledge, said that organizing the Space Orbit Thesis Exhibition 2025 is a showcase for the potential of our students who have used their knowledge and ability throughout the 4 years of learning both in and out of the classroom by presenting them throughout various media, which create pride in themselves and also promotes communication for the communities and societies that the students have participated in developing, such as the Samut Prakan Observation Deck project, which is more than a source for knowledge that she and her friends in the group have presented in the form of infographics and videos of interesting tourist attractions, experiencing the way of life, culture, and local history through easy travel. This public relation media does not only create awareness of various places, but also generates income for the community when tourism occurs. Next, Ratchamongkol University of Technology พระนคร and Bangkok Bangklat District jointly held a discussion on cooperation to support special needs children in autistic who graduate with a bachelor degree from Ratchamongkol University of Technology พระนคร Ratchamongkol University of Technology พระนคร led by Assistant Professor กฤษเจ็ดวรรณะ Vice President and Assistant Professor Dr. ธนภพโสตโยม Dean of the Faculty of Home Economics Technology jointly held a discussion on academic cooperation or MOU between Ratchamongkol University of Technology พระนคร and Bangkok Metropolitan to support education and provide opportunities for special needs students in autistic to pursue bachelor degree studies at the Faculty of Home Economic Technology. Dr. เกษีจันทราประภาวัฒน์ Advisor to the Government of Bangkok, Ms. Manita Ruchasiri, Director of Bangklat District, Dr. วรพล อิทธิคเนศร Chairman of the Committee for Participation in the Development of Bangklat District, Head of the Education Department Bang Plat District Office and teachers from the schools under the Bangkok Metropolitan Administration Bang Plat District joined the discussion at the Rapi Pat Meeting Room, Office of the President, Tewes Center. In this regard, the advisor to the Bangkok governor said that Bangkok has a growing number of special needs students in autistic. For example, Bang Plat District alone has 60 special needs children in autistic. The major problem for this group of children is that they dropped out of the education system after completing Matayom 6 due to the family financial problems, including cost of raising them and problems of the education system. There are not enough educational institutions that accept them to continue their study at higher level. Therefore, if the cooperation between the university and Bangkok Metropolitan in certain children to study vocational study is successful, these special needs children will be able to use the knowledge they have gained to earn a living and not be a burden to their families in the future. In accordance with the objectives, the Dean of the Faculty of Home Economic Technology revealed that in the 2025 academic year, the classroom will be open and applications for special needs students will be accepted for the first year. With a target of piloting in schools under Bang Plat District at 30 people per academic year, the criteria for admission will be in accordance with those set by the university and Bangkok Metropolitan. In addition to taking care of education, the health and mental health of the children will be taken care of so that the children can live their daily lives and take care of themselves, both therefore during and after graduation until the children have job and can support themselves and their families. For more information, please contact Faculty of Home Economic Technology, telephone number 02665 3888, extension number 8285. However, this discussion, the special education teacher from school under the Bangkok Metropolitan Administration Bang Plat District explained that if the cooperation results in success, it will give the special education teachers who care for this group of special children more hope that after graduation these students will have a place to study at a higher level and be able to take care of themselves in the future. In addition, from the cooperation, these teachers will have additional knowledge in teaching specialized professions for caring for special children. Next, Rajamongkol University of Technology พระนคร discussed with the Sport Authority of Thailand to organize a seminar on boxing sports, the international boxing competition at the university level for the Royal Trophy in 2025 on February 24, 2025. Assistant Professor Dr. Amnat Iem Samang, as the chairman of the working group of the Boxing Sports Development Committee of Rajamongkol University of Technology พระนคร along with advisor to the Boxing Sport Development Committee led by the Lieutenant General สนทัศน์อินทรตั้ง Mr. รณกฤษเอื้อพิพัฒนากูล Mr. อำนวยเกียรติบำรุง Mr. ชัยชัดเกษมธนสมบูรณ์ Mr. ธนพัฒน์อินทรตั้ง and Mr. ประเสริฐหอธรรมรัตน์ including Dr. ก้องเกียรติมหาอิน Assistant to the President and Faculty Representatives including อาจารย์ฉลองอภิวงศ์ Head of the Physical Education Group Faculty of Liberal Arts Mr. Karun Thanom Pichai Faculty of Industrial and Fashion Design representatives of the Faculty of Home Economics representatives of the Faculty of Home Economic Technology and Ms. Malika Virasai, Director for the Students Development Division, joined the discussion with the Sports Authority of Thailand, led by Mr. Adisak Sukhpong, an expert, Mr. Apichai Narawong, Director of the National Institute of Muay Thai, and Mr. Chayo Phonwet, Sports Promotion Officer, to discuss the organization of activity in 2025, including number 1, seminar activities on boxing sports linked to the 20th anniversary of Rajamongkol University of Technology พระนคร and กรมหลวงชุมพรเขตอุดมศักดิ์ as well as on the occasion of the 100th anniversary of the passing of King Rama VI, which is related to boxing sports and the development plan for boxing sports, which will be held during May to June 2025, and number 2, international boxing competition activities, university level competing for the Royal Trophy. In this regard, the director of the National Institute of Muay Thai will collect information to consult with relevant agencies to organize such activities under the cooperation framework between Rajamongkol University of Technology พระนคร and Sport Authority of Thailand. And the time is up for today. RMUTP Roundup. Please join us every Monday here on englishonline.rmutp.ac.th. Your host has been อาจารย์เกษม พุทธเรืองศรี You are welcome to subscribe to our channel on englishonline.rmutp.ac.th. Thank you very much for joining our program today and see you again next Monday. สวัสดีครับ
RMUTP Roundup